Okay, the purpose of the turf toe tape job again is to support the big toe. We're really going to try to keep it from going back like this. That's what we're trying to do, is keep it from hyperextending in this position. So to do this, the first thing you want to do is have the athlete sit on something with their foot hanging off the table. The foot should be in 90 degrees like this. We take our tough skin, spray the bottom of the foot. If the person has got a hairy foot, we can use pre-wrap. But if they don't have hairy feet or toe, because maybe they have a hairy toe, we just put some pre-wrap on the middle of the foot like that, and that should be good. But we're not going to use it for this. So our first step is to split the tape. Take our thumb in the middle of the tape and split it about so long. And we put that anchor right on the middle of the toe. Now don't throw away that other strip here, because you'll reuse it again. Then we want to put an anchor in the middle of the foot, and if you look at the foot has an angle. The other foot will be this angle. So we want to put our tape in the middle of the foot at the same angle. We don't want this tight at all. We want it nice and light, not too tight. So nice and light, not too tight. So we have an anchor here, we have an anchor there, because we need to always tape the tape. So we always want to tape the tape again. So our next step is to make a fan, because we're again trying to keep that toe from hyperextending. So we need to make a fan with little strips of tape. So we're going to measure anchor to anchor, and we'll go on a tabletop. Then our fan should be thin at top and should fan out like this. So what we're going to do is take another strip, start at the same spot at top, go about half the distance of the tape, and cut. Then we'll take another half strip and go on the other side, half the distance of the tape. And we'll take another strip, half the distance of the tape, and cut it. Then our final one, or one more to go on the other side. Then we put one straight down the middle. That kind of holds everything together. So we have a nice fan. Then what we do is we put the fan on the big toe. Then we want to use our original half strip to secure that on the big toe, because we don't want it to come off. Our next step is to relax your toe. Have them relax their toe. We're going to pull it down. Now we don't want to crank it that much. That's too far. Okay, this is a natural relaxed position. Then we want to put it on the anchor. Now I have a little excess that's over this anchor here, so what you do there is you just take your scissors and just trim that up so it looks pretty. This taping's an art. And we just put that there, like that. And then all we're going to do is secure this to the foot, and we're just going to do like these original anchor strips. We're going to probably do about 3 of those. So again, we want to use the same angle here. And these strips here, these closing strips as they're called, should be half the distance of the tape. And again, you don't want to put them too tight because they'll cause the foot to cramp. You're doing that. And that is the turf toe tape job.